Providence, best day trips from New York City. Long overshadowed by Boston, Providence holds its own as a historical heavyweight. Founded by banished Massachusetts Bay colonist Roger Williams in 1636, this Rhode Island city was the country's first experiment in a secular democracy, the separation of church and state. Today, Providence is a true college town, home to Brown University, Johnson and Wales, Providence College, and Rhode Island School of Design. There's even a high concentration of dedicated Red Sox and Patriots fans in town, leading some to believe that it's a copycat of the Massachusetts capital. But there's a more relaxed vibe to Providence, not to mention more affordable hotel rates and fewer crowds that draws even loyal Bostonians into the city for the weekend. What you need to know. Sample the quahogs. Like most New England towns, Providence boasts plenty of quality seafood. But it's especially famous for its quahogs. Quahog, large clams that are often served steamed, or if you're eating like the purists do, icy and raw. Don't miss WaterFire. This fire sculpture installation on the Three Rivers in downtown Providence takes place between March and November every year. It's a beloved event that draws both locals and visitors. Avoid commencement weekend. Mid-May college graduations slam the capital city. If you're hoping to visit in May, plan around commencement to dodge spiked hotel rates and packed restaurants. Best things to do in Providence. Providence's top to-dos fit right in with its collegiate culture. When you're not admiring the more than 91,000 works on display at the RISD Museum, marvel at the historic colonial houses stationed along Benefit Street. Or, for an even more impressive architectural display, simply glance up at the dome of the State House, the fourth largest self-supporting marble dome in the world. Traveling with kids? Rhode Island's capital has you covered there, too, thanks to the Roger Williams Park Zoo. Best times to visit Providence. The best time to visit Providence is between June and August, and from September to November. Summer can be an expensive time to visit, with high hotel rates and lots of crowds. But the comfortable temperatures and full event calendar make it difficult to resist. Fall is another great time to visit thanks to the gorgeous fall foliage adorning the region's trees. Though peak season tourist crowds will have departed after Labor Day, the city won't feel empty thanks to the bevy of college and university students returning for fall semester. If you don't mind walking around Providence with a heavy coat, you want to consider coming in the winter or early spring, when Rhode Island's capital sees fewer crowds and more affordable hotel rates. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos.